Hi, welcome to Yealink MeetingBoard Quick Start video. In this video, we will show you the overview of our product. The fuselage contains the built-in camera, microphone, LED indicator strip, stylus, speaker, and home button. Switch signal source. Volume down. Volume up. NFC. The MeetingBoard has built-in Android system and supports the installation of OPS module to realize the use of both Windows and Android systems. At the bottom of the left side is the USB port, while the other side contains the USB port, HDMI out port, third-party audio input and output port, Ethernet port, power port, and rocker switch. The home screen is preset with Meet Now, Share and Appointment Meeting feature. Click More to adjust volume. Click Settings to check meetings. Change wallpapers and report an issue. In the device settings, you can adjust the language, time and date, camera, audio settings, and so on. The suspension buttons on the left and right sides can adjust the sound and brightness. Click Meet Now. You can initiate an instant meeting. Invite the desired users. And click Start Meeting. Here you can adjust the volume during a conference call or turn the camera on or off. Here you can adjust the meeting layout, add attendees, and share profiles. Click More icon to put calls on hold. Change backgrounds. Turn on live captions. Turn off incoming video. Turn off remote control, and so on. If you want to start a scheduled meeting, you need to make an appointment on the Teams client first. Then you can check the scheduled meeting on the right side of the screen. Here you can adjust the volume during a conference call or turn the camera on or off. Here you can adjust the meeting layout, add attendees, send emoticons, and share profiles. Click More icon to change backgrounds, record meeting, share whiteboard, turn on live captions, turn off incoming video, turn off remote control, and so on. Click to open the whiteboard feature embedded in the scheduled meeting. The toolbar of the whiteboard contains circle selection, color switching, brush, template selection, etc. It supports handwriting and stylus writing. The setting button in the upper right corner can adjust format background and enhance the inked shapes. Adjust the canvas background. Zoom in the canvas. Zoom out the canvas. MeetingBoard supports VCH51, WPP20 screen sharing, and HDMI input source. Take WPP20 screen sharing as an example. Pair the WPP20 with the endpoint. Connect the WPP20 to the PC.